In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Copilot in Excel Microsoft 365. This is a handy feature that can greatly enhance your productivity by providing data insights and assisting with various tasks within Excel. Let's get started, and by the end of this short tutorial, you'll have Copilot up and running in just a few simple steps. First, let's begin by opening your Microsoft Excel application. Just navigate to your desktop or Start menu and find the Excel icon. It might be pinned to your taskbar for quick access, which is always a good idea if you use Excel frequently. Once you've opened Excel, you'll be taken to a new or existing workbook, and that's where our journey starts. Next, direct your attention towards the top left corner of your screen and click on File. This is where you'll find the overarching options to customize your Excel experience. Once you've clicked on File, a list of menus will appear, and from here, you'll want to select Options. This will open a new window filled with various settings for Excel. In this Excel Options window, you'll see a variety of categories on the left side, which can look a bit overwhelming if you're new to adjusting Excel settings. However, don't worry, you're only interested in a particular option here. Look down the list until you find Copilot. It's typically nestled somewhere below the general Excel options, so keep an eye out for it. Having found the Copilot option, simply click on it. This will display the settings related to Copilot right in the main window area. Now this is where the magic happens. To turn on Copilot, you'll see a toggle switch right there. Click on it, and it should turn from gray to another color, usually green, indicating that Copilot is now active and ready to assist you. Once you've toggled Copilot on, click OK or close the Options window, and you should notice a new icon appear on your home ribbon. The ribbon is the toolbar running across the top of Excel, where you normally select commands like Save or Undo. This new Copilot icon is all set to help you enhance your Excel capabilities. It offers intelligent suggestions and insights, turning your data into something much more manageable and ready for analysis. With Copilot enabled, you now have a powerful tool at your disposal. Explore its features, and you'll find it can help with automating tasks, generating insights, and even suggesting charts or formulas based on your data. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Enjoy your enhanced experience with Excel and the productivity boost that comes with Copilot.